Welcome to this comprehensive introduction to product management. In this video, we'll explore what product management really means, understand the key responsibilities of product managers, and discover the career path you can follow in this exciting field. Whether you're curious about entering the field or want to understand what PMs do, this guide will give you a solid foundation. At its core, a product manager's mission is to bridge the gap between three critical stakeholders: your users, your business, and your technology team. The primary goal is to create products that people actually want to use while solving real problems they face. A PM acts as the connector between what customers need, what the business wants to achieve, and what engineers can technically build. This balance is what makes product management both challenging and rewarding. Product managers have three foundational responsibilities. First, they define the vision and strategy for the product, setting the long-term direction and goals. Second, they manage stakeholders across the organization, aligning teams from business, engineering, and design so everyone works toward the same objectives. Third, they conduct deep user research to understand customer needs and pain points, ensuring the product truly addresses real problems in the market. Beyond the core responsibilities, PMs also own roadmap planning, deciding which features to build and in what order based on priorities. They track analytics and key metrics to measure whether the product is successful and delivering value. Finally, they develop go-to-market strategy, planning how to launch the product and drive user adoption. These responsibilities ensure the product is not just built well, but also reaches the right people at the right time. To excel as a product manager, you need four essential skills. Critical thinking allows you to analyze problems deeply and find solutions. Strong communication helps you articulate your vision clearly to teams and stakeholders. Leadership is crucial because PMs must influence and guide people without having direct authority over them. Finally, data literacy enables you to make informed decisions backed by evidence rather than intuition alone. These skills work together to make you an effective PM. The typical product management career progresses through 4 levels. You start as an associate product manager, focusing on learning the fundamentals and gaining foundational experience. You then move to product manager, where you own specific features or entire product lines. The next level is senior product manager, where you lead cross-functional initiatives and mentor other PMs. Finally, you can advance to director or vice president roles, where you take on strategic leadership responsibilities for entire product portfolios. Product management isn't one-size-fits-all. Consumer product managers build products for millions of individual users, focusing on user experience and retention. Business-to-business PMs solve enterprise problems, working with corporate clients and focusing on features that drive business value. Technical PMs specialize in infrastructure, platforms, and APIs, working closely with engineers and focusing on scalability and technical excellence. Your specialization depends on your interests and the type of product you want to build. If you want to become a product manager, here's how to get started. First, learn the fundamentals by reading product management books and studying real-world case studies from successful companies. Second, build relevant experience by pursuing associate product manager roles or related positions like business analyst, or program manager that develop similar skills. Third, network strategically by connecting with experienced product managers and finding mentors who can guide your journey. Remember, product management is fundamentally about creating value and impact through collaboration with people. Start building these skills today, and you'll be on your way to a rewarding career in this field.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.